In this video, we will learn how to insert calendar event in Google Sheet. So let's start this in my Google Sheet, and here first select the cell where you want to insert the calendar event. So I select here the first cell, then go to the insert tab, then click on the smart chips option, and here the third option, the calendar event. Just click on it to insert the calendar event. You can see the all list of calendar event those you have in your this email id which are login in your Google Sheet. Okay, so this calendar event is already created in your calendar. Okay, so select the event. So I just select one. So dashboard report meeting high priority. So I just select it, and here have a some option, the data extraction. Just click on it, and you can see the right hand side have a data extraction. So you can extract data from this event. So I just select the summary and click on the extract. Now you can see the dashboard report meeting high priority is summary mention on this event. Again, I just click on it, and here click on the data extraction. Okay, now I select the URL. Okay, and click on the extraction. Now you can see the link of the event is also extracted. So this is a way you can extract the summary and URL from your calendar events. Okay, so just click on it. One more thing here I want to show you. You can see here the attach this document to this event. You can attach this Google Sheets in this event also. Just click on the attach option. The document will attach. Is showing now error, but it's attached it. Okay, so you can try also it. Okay, and when you open this event in your calendar, the document showing in attached in your event. I just show you. Just double click on it. Okay, and your Google Calendar is open and event also open, and just click on the edit event. Okay, when you attach this Excel sheet, the Excel sheet attachment here showing. Okay, now is showing the some error, therefore is not attached it. I try just again attached, is showing some error, but you just try it's attached it. Okay, so I show you the second way. Just select the cell and right click of the mouse, and here also same option smart chips, and click on the calendar event, and the calendar event drop down list showing. Just select the calendar event. I try for this to attach the Excel sheet. Just click on the attach. Here also showing some error. Okay, and other you can just click on it. If you want to copy the link of this event, just click on the copy link option. Okay, and I just paste here, show you paste. So this is a way you can copy also. Okay, so this is a way you can insert the calendar event in Google Sheet. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like, please subscribe, and thank you so much.